cheers, cheers, cheers. We must toast loudly, talk long, talk vodka and Uncle Vodka. Not like this or wine and wine. Here's a horoscope to do what? The white snow shines with light. The black eyes of fall will turn. Over the summer, we're going to do a video now. And our company of who's building where. Who's working where. And that we have a great student teaching class. These 7 fine young men will fulfill the role of students. Yes. Vyacheslav. Max got into position. Max strafe. Magnitude stock in 2. Repeating the warehouse maneuver.
Let's give the mat a boost.
It's all taken. All free, everything is taken. I'm not. You'll be waiting for us there now. Shish kebab food. In general, everyone come back. They said they'll feed us meat. That's why I came. Before you do that, you're doing parking lot. Wanted stealth manager, installer, and become day plumber. Vonik, plumber, this. Plumbing. In Russian, I'm the head of installations versus sales coordinates. Was gone. Now dealing with solar panels, you companies have a service. Air conditioning, warehouse work. I'm so-and-so. It's about time that is... I ride a bike and I don't commandeer. See? They're slipping down there. No, Gaigro, we are not carpenters, but there are no regrets. Bitter, nor are there. Little people sat you hundreds under 170 yesimitsurf. Sat fee, 175 sat. You can't see shit. You can't wear lenses, you've gotten good. A friend, everyone. Nice last name, don't look down on me. Guys, whoever's in the back, please come forward. Everything fits in the front. Center Lena 321 has prepared. For you. Uh-oh. And now the robot dance. Exam. Battery. Oh, yeah. You've been here a long time in America, or stomping on the plus in the view since 4 months goes already in the company, plus 3 years working. Oh, very long time. 4 months, 4 months. Yes, I'm that straight time. 2 almost a year and a half months to go away. And already 5 months, 4 years. 4 years more than 3 years. And a half years here. I have been here since August month. Looks like a Kazakh. Yes, I am a Kazakh. Almost. Kazakhstan is where I live and love. I am my homeland hell, Altai. The Caspian Sea is all very much for me. Men Kazakhstan Bulangret, but Sultan Elmash Ablashesh horrified Kazakh. Kazakhstan quickly through Urmaz. The layer looked like this. Dance while young girl heaven. Dance while young dance while young dance while young girl. My kiss dance. Yeah. prove to the company. Sergey. What's the name of Sergey, right? It's trying to work fluxes a lot of things. It's part of my life. Plus, this is my life. My best company in the world. And you other companies say the same or not. I used to work in RD. Collective humor. Office. Maybe Schedule Hughes is a great company that gives opportunities to grow. I saw an opportunity to earn above average paycheck. It's a very well-promising job, and it's like the families, all like Google people. And this one's a little better than that. Better than anything. And this one's got a little better food, and this one's got paid food. Well, fuck. It's not competitive at all, Buffett. I like it. Atmospheres. A friendly, no stress, loose, no nonsense team. The most important thing is that I've worked at several previous firms. Of the team, there is no work of his. I've seen a lot of work. That end. Quality, not fate, is about the same as the dinosaurs. I think it's part of my life because I love what I do. I'm always more than willing to come and drink every day. For me, it's an experiment of my ideas. I can implement them, the one and the of myself to my full potential. And you're getting me high. It's good here. I like the staff, good guys, everyone. Everyone's good. The guys all teach, help as much as they can, just good people. Very nice, smart, beautiful all. Talented. Yes, Alexeyev, look how great everyone is. The staff here is just probably better in the States on the planet. And the cat is team. Friendly. Well, like what is taught? What is taught in general, then invested in the education of its employees. By education itself. I started this company as an assistant. Thank you. You started together. Of course, I learned everything. Here I went to 122 or 3 weeks as a student. I was just looking. And then it started slowly after that. So you have a great chance of career advancement? Yes, people who were character. I know. All it's almost yes, drink, sing, like it. I have a very wonderful supervisor. Stanislav, tired 2 class teacher. Oh, great. I'm glad knew about it. Sounds like a school cool it. You said the leader. Yes, immediately told the best one. We try to have a friendly, team-oriented atmosphere. Of course, yeah. Those under 75 sat all of them down on the 7 years old, all on command now. Will be filming copters. We have very kind. Pugachev, sure, Self will be performing. Blinkers. Yes, Kirkorov stayed in Russia. Wake up. Do something. To be or not to be. To be or not to be. Be lazy. Do something. To be or not to be. Here's some. I'm not happy. I didn't get the Lily kebab. Everyone just ran in and took it. The company's a fine company. A fine company. I'm inviting everyone over there to the auditorium. I'm not gonna make a little announcement and bring in little contests. Okay? He walks at home, the whole neighborhood walks. It's the head of the party now. Let everyone please pick a date. Survived, sat, we are a couple. All chose a couple of time, one of you. Your boyfriend should be number 1. You handed out a number 1 paper and a piece of paper. One looks at the TV, the other looks at his partner. That is one back. The TV, the other. On the TV is. The contest is that I will show the picture to number 1. And number 2, who is who, back to the TV will record. What from the words depicted on the TV. Let's go one picture, the screen gantry. The crane he letter T's stands at all from edge to edge. Oh, it was just the guys practicing. You don't think I'm just actually doing childish tasks? Now it should be the other way around. The guys got ready. Figure number 2, ready, go, 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 321. On the control table, the crane has traverses. It's worth it to put a Ruston on wheels. It's sitting there, doing it without a cabin. So we collect, so the results all have to be signed, right? This complex has been seen many times on YouTube, on Instagram. I need volunteers to be a ruler now. I will then show the movement at the beginning of this line. The next person this movement should show the other person who is behind. And to the end, should step back that movement. And then the last person of the line will show one person to the original. What was in the beginning, I will one show my life, the rest are all paid. I fly him 2 times, he only turns to me once. I'm showing him movement, like where to go, like... Everyone took the train. Got and everything. In the morning. That's it. One, it shows. Fine, I'm not showing the original. So that was the perfect solution in general, that now I need you to split into 8 people. You need to pick the number 1 person of your circle. It's called person number 1. Has to talk about himself in 30 seconds. And the next person will be the next person to talk about himself. About 1 person, about 2, and about 3. So on target attention march. My wife and I live in a cabin, it's cool. They stall her here 3 years. I have family in Armenia. I have 2 kids. I get high San Jose, so Surin with Armenia, 17 kids. Family around the world, 50 years in the company, or no less the flow of the toilet and booze that 50 children around the world, 2 children. 3 years of army, also normal, yes, wife in Armenia, he here himself gets high from. He lives in an apartment. I saw him yesterday. Divorced as fuck. Who likes to steal? There are bikes. Defeats divorce the fuck up. Have the kids memorized. I'm fucking divorced too. Everything's awesome. And this is Vladimir. He works for the company. After that, 2 already. Luggage. 16 kids. My name is Tatiana. No job now. This is Natalia. I'm Tanya, or I am. It's Svetlana's job at the company in the warehouse who loves cool cars. Yeah, as it turns out, she likes to draw numbers on rich men. Filmed Bashkortostan, Mordovian assessor of the Kazakhstani region. Mumbai, Philadelphia. I love Miami vacation. Swam naked, swam naked, swam naked. Wife, daughter, divorced. Divorced the fuck out of my life. This fucking divorced. Excuse me, keep please. Soren has 3 children and 2 kids, himself getting high here. Uncle Suriega Flank likes to clean toilets, the longest make a day. It's not for you to say. Or besieged by ideas makes no difference. So he sleeps, he says. The office does, and does what? Thank you all. Next, Stas has 2 dogs and 3 children out of wedlock. Oh, stop flying Miami. Oh, it's okay. Glory! The electrician's into fishing. Have it flooded. Possessing. How could it be? But the main thing is that I have another contest. It's extremely hard to do. Yes, it is. But it's the best. In fact, he's the best. Now, guys, get back together in the groups you were in. Choose your partners. Please, now take your partner. Then you're not ahead of the curve, please. Take him by the shoulders. Please begin now. Task number 1 begins to tell number 2 the following. I suggest you go fishing. I suggest you buy a Tesla. I suggest you kiss your wife. I suggest you call your parents. Let's go. I'll give you a full minute. Yeah. I suggest you turn to your right. When is it offered to you? Relax more. I suggest you love the Black Widow. It's pause you and say the following. I love that you wear a cool shirt. I love that you have great hair. What I love about you is that you butter smells awful hair. You smell great. Just because you have cool boots, I love that you did parachuting. You had a YouTube channel where you recorded videos of coming every day from food. We should have tea with our bags. Like, now we go to 1 and continue to eat whatever all the fish noses have left. Fall.